Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. We got Twice in the building, y'all. What's up? It's your boy Dre. Welcome to the channel. Hey, peep the merch. Hey, peep the Twice merch. Hold up, hold up. Bow. Bow, this little jersey. Bow. What did it say in the back? Once. From Ordinary Fair. Shout out to them. Shout out to them. But we're about to check out Twice ME+YOU. Now, I've seen some clips. And I'm excited. I don't know what it sounds like, but, you know, without further ado, let's just get into this, shall we? In 3, 2, 1. Bow. Oh.
Yeah.
Whoa.
You know I'm always by your side.
Yes, you is.
So just listen.
What we listening to? Ooh. Got the R&B on that. Yo, don't bother her. She trying to pick up. Oh, she's strong. Oh. That's crazy. Okay. Is that what you been through? Hey, hey, hey. Bro, Jihyo, you so strong. Jihyo so strong. Look at that. How'd they do that? Was that green screened? Oh, she really left that. She really left that like that. Is somebody locked in that door? I felt that. Oh, girl, don't electrocute yourself. Oh! Whose fault was that? Sana and I. Damn. Hey. Oh. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Hey. Oh. Whoa. Girl. Oh. Throwback. Bro, it's been so long with Twice. I love it. I felt that. Okay, see, these are the clips I saw. 2025. 2025. Ooh, ah. Ooh, okay, glamour shot. Always a glamour shot with Mina. Ooh. Okay. Tell me. Oh, wait, hold on. Somebody was getting down with it. What's up, Momo? They all were. Oh. Ooh. Oh, whoa. Some vibrations. Oh my God. $10 years, y'all. Listen, if I was a neighbor of Twice, that'd be a blessing, I think. As long as they invite me over. Hey. Bro, it's crazy I've been there since their debut. Y'all been there since debut too. Yeah, it's 9 of them.
누구세요? 아까 그 아저씨다.
Yup.
소리가 커가지고 왔습니다.
뭐라고요?
Why he not looking?
소리가 너무 커서 저 잠에서 잠깐 깼어요.
네?
Oh, I love it. Not the. Wow. Oh, Sana. Damn. The kimbap. Okay, dance.
뭐라고요?
소리가 너무 커가지고.
Thanks to once, y'all. Aww. The story goes on. Now I know they came out with an album, right? And it's like they're solos, right? I have to check it out. I'm probably gonna check it out on Patreon. I definitely have to check it out on Patreon. Maybe it should be up right now. So wait, hold on. Let me vibe out a bit. Y'all be sure to like the video. Comment your favorite part and your bias. Comment if you're a once. Comment if you've been here since the beginning. My favorite, my bias and twice. I grew to love all of them throughout the years. It started off with Sana, then Jihyo, you know. Alright, y'all. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys to the next video. Hey, 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 hey. Alright, y'all. Peace. Oh my God.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for $1 to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.